morning guys, happy Vlogmas, hope you're all doing well. I'm not having a great start to the day. I've got lots to do today. I've just dropped the kids off at school and now I've got to get some Christmas shopping done. I've got loads to do. In my panic, I forgot the vlogging camera, so I'm filming on my phone, so I'll give it my best shot. I've got to go to Dunelm, I've got to go to the Trafford Centre, I have got to go to my dad's house to drop the Christmas presents off. Yeah, I've got loads to do today, so super busy day. I will try and take you with me and try and do some filming. Never got around to making the fudge yesterday, so that's got to be done today. Why do we put so much pressure on ourselves at Christmas? This is the biggest question I keep asking every year. Why do we do it? Why do we insist on rushing out, buying all this unnecessary food, doing all this unnecessary stuff, fudge, mince pies, Christmas cakes, etc, etc? Why do we do it? Does anybody agree that we should just stop? Don't send Christmas cards. Yeah, maybe just stop. Let's just stop for a minute and realise, just be with the family. That's my thought for the day. I don't know about you. Comment down below if you agree. And all these presents for sake. Yeah, anyway. Alright, I will go to Dunelm and I'll try and take you with me. So here we are at Dunelm. Let's see what we can find in here today. Yeah, still a few Christmas items left. Not many though. I do like these. I just don't ever know what to do with them. What do you do with them? Yeah, I haven't got enough time to be that creative. So Dunelm is done. Just walking into the Trafford Centre. The car park, oh, sorry, dodgy finger. The car park looks busy already. The shops are literally just opened. Wish me luck. It's currently about 10 o'clock and I can walk. Let's see what it's like in about an hour. Oh, tooey. Wish we could go in there and book a holiday. Oh, better still, the Virgin store, which is back there. Oh, shop Disney. Not today, not got time. Maybe next time. Every time I come here, it is full of school kids. Have they broken up early, or they just have got a day off and having a day out? Don't know. Getting some shopping done. I've been to Boots, I've been to Selfridges, aka Primark. Yeah, just need a couple of bits, and hopefully I'm done. We always say that and always rush around, but we'll see. Let's see what else we can find. So I survived the Trafford Centre. I think I was only there for about an hour. The car park is full already. I got a few bits. I decided not to put any pressure on myself. The kids have got presents. That's all that matters. Okay, so I'm heading to Asda and then I'm going to my dad's. So I'm home from the school run, just sat down and had a coffee. It's the first time I've chanced to have to sit down all day. I'm going to make my fudge. Yep, got all my ingredients ready. They're just all here. I've got my pan and everything. I'm not really going to show you properly how to make the fudge. I will drop a link below to the recipe that I use. It's a labour of love sometimes, or a labour of hell, like with mince pies. Sometimes it goes right, sometimes it goes wrong. It's not the easiest thing to make in the world. So I'm not going to be a step-by-step guide of how to make it. So yeah, I'll probably just do a little time lapse and then you can see at the end, but just like I said, I'll drop a link below to the website where I get the recipe from. Okay, so here we go. Wish me luck. Fingers crossed. So this is the really tricky bit with making fudge. I have melted all my ingredients down and I've now got to boil it for 10 to 15 minutes. If you get it wrong, like one way either side, it's a goner. It's gone. It's rubbish. You overboil it, it's so brittle. If you underboil it, it doesn't come together. Yeah. Be patient with me. I've got 10 minutes to go. Has anybody else made fudge? I know there are simpler ways of doing it. Just drop me a comment down below if you make fudge yourself or do you just go and buy it. I think it'd be easy to buy it, to be honest. Well, let's see how we go. Watch this space, 10 minutes later. Excuse the bright light and the dirty shelf. This is the bit where you get your mussels. You have to beat it and beat it and beat it and beat it. You want to say hello, Harry?
Hello.
Yeah. You have to mix it and mix it and mix it.
And mix it.
And mix it. I've already been stirring this for the best part of 20 minutes. But then it's the beating stage.
I'm eating it.
You're not eating it yet. So, oh my god, that light is really bad. So you just have to mix it and mix it and mix it and mix it so it loses its shine. Does it look good? Yeah. Oh my god, so much shadow. So hard filming in darkness. Right. Catch you back in probably about another 10 minutes. So there we have it, first batch of fudge done. It looks very yellow on this camera, but it isn't. It's like a deep golden brown. Want to try some? Just try it on the edge of the spoon. What's it taste like?
I like lemony.
Lemony?
Yeah, lemony.
It's definitely not lemony, it's got vanilla in it.
Nice.
Is it good though?
Yeah.
Does it get a thumbs up?
Yeah.
Big thumbs up.
Ah.
Big one's here to try it too. Doesn't want to be on camera though. What have you done? Good?
Mhm.
Got a big thumbs up. So that's going to be the end of another Vlogmas tonight. Yeah, it's been another busy day for me and I've got work tomorrow. Yay! Yeah, got work tomorrow and I've not really sat down today apart from when I had a chat with my dad. I had a cup of a nice brew and a nice catch up with him. So yeah, fudge made. First batch of 2 or 3. That's vanilla flavour and I've got a mince pie flavour and an Irish cream one to make. I really apologise. The lighting is shocking. I don't know what to do for the best. I know what, I need a new camera. Except I can't afford a new camera, so this will have to do. It's a good job of me vlogging Florida. It don't have this problem. Anyway, I'm rambling a lot. I'm tired. I'm weary. I need to sit down and put my feet up. I'd like to say I'd have a large glass of wine, but I don't have any of that either. Feel sorry for me. Please, feel sorry for me. So this is where I ended another Vlogmas, and yeah, I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Hope you're all having an amazing week, and I'll see you again soon. Bye! Oh yeah, I always forget. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye!